Once upon a time, in a vast green meadow surrounded by a dense forest, there lived 3 strong bulls. One was black, the second was brown, and the third was white. These 3 bulls were the best of friends. They grazed together, drank from the same stream, and rested under the same tree. What made them so special was their unity. No animal in the jungle dared to attack them, because they always stood together. If any predator came close, all 3 bulls would lower their sharp horns, stamp their hooves, and chase the enemy away. Even the mighty lion, king of the jungle, would think twice before going near them. One day, the lion sat hidden behind some bushes, watching the bulls with greedy eyes. He was hungry, and nothing in the jungle tempted him more than the thought of fresh bull meat. But every time he approached, he saw the bulls standing close, ready to defend one another. As long as they are united, I cannot touch them, the lion thought. But if I can somehow separate them, they will be easy prey. The lion decided to play a trick. He approached the black bull alone one morning when the other 2 were grazing far away. He spoke in a friendly tone, pretending to care. "Brother Black Bull," he said softly, "why do you stay with those 2? Don't you see? They don't really care about you. They are just using you for your strength. You deserve to have this meadow all to yourself." At first, the black bull ignored him, but the lion kept coming every day, whispering poison into his ears. Slowly, doubt crept into the black bull's heart. He began to feel jealous and angry at his friends. One morning, he decided to graze on the far side of the meadow, away from the other 2. The lion smiled to himself. His plan was working. Next, he went to the brown bull and did the same thing. He told him lies about how the white bull secretly mocked him and thought he was weaker. The brown bull, too, began to believe the lies and moved away. Now the 3 bulls were no longer together. Each grazed in a different corner of the meadow, alone and unaware of the lion's scheme. One afternoon, the lion attacked the black bull while he was alone. Without his friends to help, the black bull was quickly defeated and eaten. The next day, the lion struck again and killed the brown bull, who also had no one to defend him. Finally, only the white bull was left. As the lion came close, the white bull sighed and said sadly, "I was defeated the moment we let the lion divide us. If only we had stayed united, none of this would have happened." The lion roared victoriously and finished his feast. Moral of the story: united we stand, divided we fall. When friends stick together, no enemy can harm them, but if they let jealousy and lies divide them, they become weak.